Hey, it's Cliff, and I just want to make this video to let you guys know that I'm not dead. I caught COVID, which is weird for me because I don't ever usually get sick. But my dad was in town, so we were kind of like being tourists, going around the island and doing all those little like tourist things. And Fortunately, I got COVID, and that um for me, the first day just kind of felt like a little like scratchiness in my throat. No big deal, by the second day, I started coughing even more. It was still not that bad, but by that night, I had total body pain. I was just cold, couldn't seem to warm myself up, and it just got progressively worse from there. And so if anyone was wondering where I've been, I was in bed for like 3 days. Today was actually my first day back to work, but with my cough, my coworkers were pretty disgusted. So they sent me home. Yeah, they sent me home. So yeah, it's pretty much the end of it. So at this point, it's not that bad for me. I feel so much better. I have this nagging cough still, and it's a little bit hard to breathe, but I'm good. I'm not really sick. But um, the worst part of it for me is I had started this workout program here. It's a tactical barbell. If you haven't seen that, it's basically like trying to combine conditioning with strength training. And I was on like week 3 of that program, and it was getting good. I was really liking it, and I haven't been able to do it for like 2 weeks now because of I just can't breathe and I'm coughing. So that's probably the worst of it. So if anyone's got any tricks for this, I'd definitely appreciate it. Like I said, I have a really bad cough, and it's just hard to breathe. Like I don't think at this point I could go like run or anything right now. I think I'd probably like kill over and die if I probably tried doing that. But surely someone out there in YouTube land has some tricks to like uh, recover really quick, because I want to get back to like working out and stuff. Now that I'm back to work, um, I can get back into my routine, making videos. Luckily for me, not a lot has been going on in the investing world. We're still dipping down in the S&P. There's still all that doom and gloom nonsense out there. And then when it comes to crypto, there wasn't really a whole lot going on that I saw. But then again, I've been in bed for a while, so if there's anything going on that you want me to look into, let me know. I definitely got the time to do it this weekend. It seemed like some of the most popular news that I saw was that Alex from Celsius finally stepped down. So hopefully he's on his way to prison. We can get a little bit of satisfaction from that, from him actually being charged criminally. We'll see what happens there. And the other main thing that I saw was Crypto Lark on YouTube has been scamming his fan base, which is kind of like, uh, I'm not surprised. I think a lot of people were surprised because he has a very friendly demeanor. It seems like a guy that you can trust, but the reality is he's a crypto YouTuber, and once people are waving money in your face, people tend to do shady things. Allegedly. So that's unfortunate. But yeah. So I just want to make this video, let you guys know that I'm not dead, just got the COVID. Um, Said if you guys got any tricks, because I feel like I'm probably the last person to get COVID. If there's anything that you guys did to get over it really quickly, I'd appreciate that in the comments.